In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit and customize your Shopify theme with ease. Let's dive right into it. First, you'll want to log into your Shopify account and head straight over to your dashboard. This is your control center for managing your online store. And from here, we can make the changes we need to really make your site shine. Once you're on your dashboard, look over to the left-hand side of the screen. You'll see a variety of options listed here. Click on Online Store, which will then open up a few more options underneath. Next, select Themes. Now you're in the right place to start making your store truly fit your brand. Now it's time to choose the theme you want to edit. Under the section labeled Current Theme, you'll see an option that says Customize. Go ahead and click that. This will open up the Shopify Theme Editor, which provides all the tools you need to tailor every aspect of your website's appearance. On the left side of the theme editor, you'll notice a sidebar. This is where you can navigate through various sections of your website. These sections include the homepage, header, templates, footer, as well as other sections like products or featured collections. Each one of these represents a part of your website that you can personalize to match your brand's unique aesthetic. If you'd like to add something new, such as an announcement bar to greet your visitors with a message, you can do that here too. Let's try adding one as an example. Look for the option that allows you to add a section and select it. Now choose Announcement Bar. A new bar will pop up on your page preview. Once the announcement bar is generated, click on it. This will bring up editing options on the right side of the screen. Here, you can edit the text to say whatever you'd like. For instance, you might want to set it to read, "Welcome to Shop 524" to greet your customers warmly as they land on your site. As you're making these changes, don't forget to hit the Save button in the top right corner after each adjustment. This ensures that all of your hard work is preserved and reflected on your live site. And that's it. You've just learned how to edit and customize your theme in Shopify. By following these steps, you'll be able to make your store stand out and resonate with your customers. Keep exploring the customization options to further personalize your online storefront. Thank you for watching, and happy customizing!